was born to fly and spread these wings and find my own.
Sa'yo, Sam, at sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sam! We wish you all the best!
Today will be the day, it all will change. Nothing, no one's in my way. Today will be the day. Today will be the day.
Birthday, Sam! Birthday, Sam!
I was made to dream that anything can be my own.
Happy birthday, Ate Sam. Magbabait lalo at maging masunurin sa mama at sa daddy.
Today will be the day, it all will change. Nothing, no one's in my way. Today will be the day.
Anak, Sam, happy birthday sa iyo. Kami ng iyong mami ay masayang-masaya kasi lumaki ka ng napakabuting bata, napakabait, masunurin.
Happy birthday, Ate Sam! Sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw na ito. Hinanda namin sa iyo ng daddy. Sana magbait ka palalo at sana wag na kayo masyadong mag-away niyo. Na love ka namin lahat. I love you!
I wish you all the best at more birthdays to come and God bless. At patuloy ito pa sana pagpalain ng ating Panginoon. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Sam.
Will be the day, it all will change. Nothing, no one is in my way. Today will be the day.